Well, today I'm just doing a little project. A client of ours is needing a shelf holder for their hot tub cover. So I'm just cutting up the metal and gonna weld that up here in the next couple days. Anyways, just a little project to get done. So hope you enjoy. I gotta cut a bunch of 45s. These are gonna get buried in the ground and then cut all the pieces, weld it together. There we go. Nice 45 to weld together. Make a right angle. So I say this every time, but I'm not a certified professional welder. I can just stick some metal together and make it work. So as far as structural application for this thing, it just needs to hold a hot tub cover. I'm going to make it plenty strong for that. First thing, absolutely have to prepare this metal. If I don't prepare this metal, my welds turn out terrible. The prep work is half the battle, I've found, with welding. I've only been welding a couple of years as a hobbyist. Done enough construction and carpentry that I can figure out how to put things together, stick the metal together. What I'm doing now, prepping the metal. I put a little chamfer on the edge. What that does is cleans up the metal, at least to my understanding. Cleans up the metal, gives it more surface area for the weld to bond together. Then you got a little divot you can fill in. Getting the first thing all set up here, getting this corner squared up. One thing that's nice about working with metal is it can be, not always, but can be a little more forgiving in that you can fill in where your cuts were bad and take off a little bit more, whereas wood, you got to be a little more exact. Either way, both of them, you got to be pretty dead on. Looks like we are square on this corner. All right, well, getting this thing going. Just gonna rinse and repeat on this one. So we got all the frames welded up here. Now I just need to put them all together and have to dig some holes in a little bit here and get it done. Honestly, in this video, we may just have the stand ready and maybe I'll dig holes and finish it up in another video just because it's going to be a while. And I don't know about you, but I'm digging my cowboy Canadian tuxedo look here. And if I have any Canadian viewers, I love you guys. Love Canada. It's a great place. I've always called it the Canadian tuxedo. I think it looks sharp. What do you guys think? Got to grind out a couple more pieces, prep those edges correctly, because I am well, I guess everyone is, but I am a particularly poor welder if I don't prep the edges. I upgraded from the 4.5 inch angle grinder to a 6-inch one, and I like the variable speed and control. If you haven't noticed, I have the Metabo HTP, used to be Hitachi tool set, And I don't know, I guess there's a bunch of Metabo fanboys out there that they say, and I guess I'm one of them. I think they're pretty good. Alright, so we got this thing all welded up. Now we're just going to get some paint on it. If you haven't used it before, I'm using this low gloss black Tractor Supply paint for tractors. Rust-Oleum. I've used it before. Works really well. It's kind of made to go over anything that is really rust prone. Really protects it well.